everybody, today I want to show you another wireless stick vacuum that I got from Amazon. It's from Micol. And let me open it up and show you what it's like. This is model MC-021. Some filters and some hardware for the wall mounting right here, instructional manual, and a little tool right here to get the hair off the motor head. Here's a 180-degree swiveling extension bar right here, and it can lock into place or unlock. Here's a larger crevice tool. You can extend it so that the bristles can help loosen any grime for easier vacuuming, or if you want just a clean plastic head right here. And here is a very thin crevice tool. This is great for the car if you want to get between the seat cushion and the center console, or anywhere that's really tight. You want to use this. And I like that it has little holes on the side, just enough to let some air escape and some airflow without shutting down the system and damaging the motor. Here is the brush head right here. You can see that it's easily and freely swiveling without sound, and it's got these padded wheels. They spin pretty freely and noise free as well, and they should roll really smoothly on hardwood. The brush head here also has some LED lights to help you see dust in situations you otherwise wouldn't see it. Easy unlock button for you to take the brush head out for easy maintenance right here. You just kind of pull this and pop this out. Here is the wall mount right here with the charger. And this is a 27 kPa brushless 350 watt vacuum. This will charge in 4 hours, and it can run up to 50 minutes on the low setting. So there is a button right here in the front. If you push this button, you can kind of lift this filter up. It's like a multi-stage filter, and you can see there's already one of these pads installed, and there are two more on the side. And you can see the multi-level filtering that's going on right here. So you can easily remove this and clean it and reuse it, and it'll output clean filtered air versus dirty air into your room. And here is the battery unit right here. This whole thing is like about three pounds or so. So it's not that heavy. So it's about 3 pounds. But I like that it's replaceable. So you can attach it like this. If you want something short, so this is perfect for using it on the stairs, and you can see how flexible this is right here. Or you can get this, and now you have something a little bit longer. Like this. Medium, and this is high. And I do like that once you click it on, it stays on without you having to constantly hold it like some of the larger name brands. And the air blows out from the sides right here and right here, so I'm not at the user, which is also what I like. And it's filtered air through the multi-stage filtering system in there. And the LED light really helps identify areas of dirt. Normally I would be stuck like this, but now I can do this. What a game changer this is. So Right here is the canister, and I was able to remove it from the vacuum, so I don't have to take the whole vacuum to the trash can to try to empty it. I can just take this, push this button right here, this whole thing will pop open and the trash will fall right out, and then I can restore this and continue. So hopefully you found this helpful. That was an overview of this vacuum. Again, it's 27 kPa and 350 watts of power, up to 50 minutes of usage on low setting. It's quiet. It has the pivotable head for you to get into the low areas that you normally can't get to with a traditional stick vacuum. And it's cordless and rechargeable. So check it out on Amazon. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.